Hi all, welcome to the channel. Today we're exploring Clickfunnels. The latest iteration of the popular sales funnel builder is its 2.0 model, and we'll discuss what it is, its new features, and how it can benefit your business. So Clickfunnels 2.0 is a comprehensive cloud-based platform designed to help businesses create effective sales funnels with ease. This new version introduces a completely redesigned and updated interface, offering enhanced tools for building successful sales funnels. One standout feature is the Funnel Hub, serving as a centralized dashboard where you can manage all your funnels, blogs, and pages. This hub streamlines navigation and provides a cohesive overview of your marketing efforts. The Visual Automation Builder allows for intuitive creation of complex workflows. You can map out customer journeys, set up triggers, and automate tasks, ensuring a personalized experience for your audience. For e-commerce businesses, ClickFunnels 2.0 offers a robust store builder. You can add products, customize pages, manage inventory, and create discounts, all within the platform. This eliminates the need for third-party e-commerce tools. The integrated CRM system helps manage customer relationships effectively, track interactions, segment your audience, and tailor your marketing strategies to boost engagement and conversations. Almost had a tongue twister there. In summary, ClickFunnels 2.0 is a powerful tool for businesses aiming to optimize their sales process with its enhanced features and user-friendly interface. It simplifies funnel creation and management, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this overview helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into the latest marketing tools.